Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, and the big day has finally come. Federal Reserve interest rate decision, guys. Today, 6 p.m. GMT. The market is going to be volatile, and the trading week has just started. What we got so far on the calendar: Monday, Japan and China public holidays. Tuesday, exactly the same. Interesting, building permits in United States started going up. So practically speaking, this is showing a slight strength on the like real estate market in US, but nothing much. Wednesday, today, many events. So first of all, the public holiday in China is gone. China is right now specifically is on a very big focus, especially about the relations between US and China. China is having a lot of problems with the avant-garde, as you know, the one of the biggest corporations in China. So let's take a look what's gonna happen. But this will bring a lot of volatility. Also, it's gonna add up volatility on the market. On the calendar, we have Bank of Japan press conference. We had it already 3 a.m. GMT in the morning. Existing home sales 2 p.m. 2:30. Crude oil inventories. Crude oil is interesting because it's still fighting with the low demand, still trying to push up. We're gonna take a look in about a minute, and of course 6 p.m. interest rate decision. So bear in mind that the unemployment rate in United States and the inflation is still very high. And quickly to remind you, Jerome Powell 2 months ago says that they want to see stable labor market and stable inflation lower in terms of making any decisions towards the interest rates, so interest rate hikes. In my opinion, there is no room for increasing the interest rates, and I'm gonna be super surprised if we see higher interest rate today. Thursday, tomorrow, we have again public holiday in Japan, interest rate decisions in Swiss, composite manufacturing and services PMI in UK 8:30 GMT in the morning, interest rate decisions in UK again 11. Thursday is gonna be crazy. Initial jobless claims 12:30, and core retail sales exactly the same time for Canada. Friday, Jerome Powell is going to give a speech on Friday. This is going to be 2 p.m. GMT, a new home sales report in US, 2 p.m. exactly the same time. So, US dollar is steady before the Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. We've seen a flash crash on the US indices. They're trying to recover since yesterday, but in my opinion, we're gonna see the traders waiting for the interest rate tonight. Then they're gonna take any actions. So let's take a look what's going on the charts. Euro US dollar in front of us. This is exactly what I'm talking about. For 2 days, the market is going up, after that slightly down, so it's holding the lows just to see what's going to happen tonight. But I think push to the upside is pretty possible, and definitely the chances are great. The Euro US dollar is touched actually the support 1.17 round number, and quick bounce from here is pretty possible. GBPUSD, kind of similar price action the last 2 days, just went down with 100 pips on Monday, most probably because of the interest rates, the upcoming interest rates on Thursday. Very important. GBP is not going to be very clear until Thursday, until tomorrow. The interest rate for UK is 11 a.m. GMT, so probably the traders are going to wait for the interest rates. Australia. What do we have in Australia? First of all, guys, I've read an article. There was a magnitude 6 earthquake struck near Melbourne. I really hope you guys are okay there. Really hope everything is great. Even though it couldn't be great, but still, I hope you're gonna be okay. Australian US dollar not impacted whatsoever from the earthquake, as you can see on the chart in front of you. So 0.7251 is the current price of the Australian dollar, right in the middle of the boundaries. 0.71, 0.7340, as you can see, 100 away pips from the resistance and 140 from the support. So I'm not gonna take any action towards the Australian dollar, just because I want to see where the price is gonna go. Is it gonna touch the support, or it's gonna go directly to the resistance? Again, exactly on the all major currency pairs, I've been expecting pretty similar price action today, because they're all connected to US dollar, and of course because of the Federal Reserve tonight. New Zealand, US, absolutely the same like Australia, in the middle of the boundaries. 0.71 is our resistance, pretty clear resistance zone here, as you can see, and 0.6942 is our support. I'm not touching the New Zealand for now. Once it touches one of these levels, then I'm going to consider trading with New Zealand. USD Canadian. Again, many people are asking me, isn't that an uptrend? Yeah, according to definition, it is. But if you zoom out a bit, you're gonna see what we talk about. And it seems the price starts losing this. The US dollar started losing this strength, this push to the upside. And for the last couple of days, it's trying to push away from the resistance level. Sorry. So the current price is 0.2790. The resistance is pretty clear, and push to the downside is the most likely to happen. Very, very interesting currency pair currently. Very interesting price behavior. USDCAD. Quickly to remind you, Federal Reserve, in my opinion, has no room to start interest rate hikes. So simply, this means that the US dollar is going to have a lot of pressure in the upcoming days. Crude oil, what we mentioned a couple of minutes ago, crude is still fighting with the low demand, and as you can see, tested 69.62, the support level yesterday, and trying to bounce back immediately. $1.8 from the bottom, $1.8 push to the upside per barrel, and let's see how it's gonna perform. But this could be, guys, like a false reversal, false a bounce from the support. Careful, because we definitely can see push to the downside with the upcoming winter. The people are not going to travel so much, so the demand could go even further down. USD Swiss, one of my favorite currency pairs. As you know, beautiful drop, 100 pips from the resistance, false breakout on the top, 0.9260, I'm sorry, 0.9296 is our resistance level. The price is heading to touch the support, 0.92. Let's take a look what's gonna happen. Slight bounce to the upside and drop is pretty possible on the USD Swiss. And USD Japan, yes, no change whatsoever. 109.50, testing the support level, but bouncing back immediately from it. So it's a total mess on the USD Japan. So I'm waiting to see, the decent breakout of the support or the resistance. Until then, I'm not touching the USD Japan. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos, of course. Share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our YouTube channel. I appreciate it, of course. Have fun, enjoy the week, make money, and expect my new video on Monday. Bye bye.